So I just got this 4.8 LS motor for my truck, and what we're gonna do is get everything pinned up through these connectors from the PCM to the BCM, so all through the data lines, so we can have my instrument cluster and everything will be functioning with that.
Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is remove the original wiring harness. We're going to want the green and red so that the electronic throttle body will work, and then use some of these older wires out of this harness to pin it out so where the body control module will run through the steering wheel controls and the cruise control will function. This one is the cable throttle body, but we're going to switch it out to the electronic throttle body, and then of course find the right pins for the CAN lines to run it through the body control module, from the body control module to the steering wheel controls, and then we'll have cruise control, and of course also wired up to the brake switch so that the cruise control and the torque converter lockup will disconnect when you step on the brake pedal. So that's going to be pretty neat. But at least we got the LS already, and we just need to get a 4L60E to go along with it. Guy down at the auto dismantlers gave us a pretty good deal on this motor. Came with the power steering pump and the alternator. We're just lacking a starter, and then of course later on we might need to hook up some AC. On the truck, where it's located, there just might be enough room to put the stock AC compressor, but we'll have to see. All that's going to function pretty good, and I think you're going to like it. So, yeah, it should all work pretty good with the steering column and all, make all the functions work. And of course, when that wiring harness is sending data to the instrument cluster, all of the speedo, tach, the engine temperature, oil pressure, and all that should all work through that instrument cluster that we just showed you.
They wrapped the shit out of this. Bracket adapter. So shiny, isn't it pretty? This will go on my motor mount. Yes. See how it goes? Like that. Oh, I see. Backwards.
Cool, huh?
Yep. Granny screws. That's it. Hey guys, today I got this Jegs fuel rail that I'm going to be installing on here, and I'm going with my original fuel injectors. So if you want to go with this rail, I had to go online and get these little adapters. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on putting that on. Hey guys, I got my motor all cleaned up and I painted it. I changed up a couple things on it. The manifold that's on it is kind of ugly, the original truck one, so I went with the Corvette. And then I did the aftermarket Jeg fuel rail, so I changed that up. I got these special motor mounts, brackets, the adapters, so I can mount it to my truck. Got it all cleaned up and painted. I'm going to be going with a different valve cover. If we walk over here, I can show you on my dad's Camaro, because I'm going to be copying him. He's got the nice ones. So this is what I'm going to be putting on my truck. It's these nice valve covers here. It's just going to look have a nice cleaner look. And then overall, I'm going to be changing up my motor to be real similar to my dad's Camaro. I want to get these holly brackets to redistribute everything so it looks a little bit cleaner. And that's what we got done today.